2, 3, 4. Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today I'm teaching you guys how to play Thank You by Dido. Very, very nice song. And actually not that hard. Let's start with putting a capo on the 4th fret, please. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there it is. We got the intro. E minor shape, 2nd finger, 3rd finger, to C, C major, 1st finger, 2nd finger, 3rd finger. They do that a couple of times. 1, 2, minor, C. E minor to C, D major, 1st finger, 2nd finger, 3rd finger, to G major, 1st, 2nd, and let's see, 3rd and pinky if you want to play G like that. Let's do that. Now we have an F sharp over G. So you just move down from this note on the E string to 2nd fret. E minor to C, D to G, F sharp over G, E minor to C, D and G, F sharp minor to C. Back to E minor intros. I think that's just 2 times there. Okay, and then I go back to the verse again. E minor to C, D to G, F sharp. Same strumming. end of each chorus, we're never going to go back to the verse after this. This is it. G to C. We go C major to B, B over A minor. So just move down this finger to second fret A string. Keep your first finger. A minor. That's basically the whole song. So we got the intro, E minor, C, E minor, C, and if you want to play the low E string over the C, that's fine, it's kind of the sound. And then you have the verses. Again, same thing, and then before the chorus they do the E minor to C 2 times. And then we have the chorus G to C. What a great song. That part of the end of the chorus, B over A minor to A minor. That's it, folks. It's all about the right hand, the strumming. Alright, thanks for tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow with more awesome, great songs. Be safe.